In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable POP and IMAP in your Gmail account. Whether you're looking to access and manage your emails from other email clients, or just want to ensure your messages are easily transferable across platforms, enabling these settings is a crucial step. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, go ahead and log into your account by entering your email address and password. If you haven't set up two-factor authentication, it's a good idea to consider it for enhanced security. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your Gmail dashboard, where you can see your inbox and all its contents. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down that appears, select the option labeled See All Settings. This will take you to a new interface with various tabs containing different customization options for your Gmail account. Focus your attention on the tab labeled Forwarding and POP IMAP. Click on this tab and you'll be presented with options related to enabling and managing both POP and IMAP. These protocols are essential in allowing third-party applications to fetch and handle your emails. They're particularly useful if you use email clients like Outlook or Apple Mail. For those who prefer using POP3, you'll see several settings under POP Download. To enable it, simply check the option to enable POP for all mail or just for mail that arrives from now on. If you're curious about which setting to choose, feel free to enable POP for all mail to maximize accessibility. Remember to scroll past the POP settings to find the IMAP access section if you also want to enable IMAP. To activate the IMAP protocol, check the option to enable IMAP. This protocol is generally favored for its synchronization capabilities, which means changes you make in your email client are reflected across all connected devices. A little tip: IMAP is typically a better choice if you plan to access your emails from multiple gadgets, given its versatility. Once you've adjusted these settings, don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the page and save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure that all adjustments are applied. After saving, your Gmail account will be ready to work seamlessly with your email clients. By following these steps, you've now successfully enabled POP and IMAP on your Gmail account. This will not only enhance your email flexibility, but also improve your overall digital communication experience. If you have any questions or run into issues, always refer back to the help section in Gmail or reach out to support for guidance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials like this one.